One thing about living on a homestead, we always have an endless list of home projects. Every week, it seems like there's an endless list of new things to do. Whether it's renovating a new room, doing something out there in the garden, or just renovating something inside the house, the work is endless and it must be done. We poured so much time and energy turning this into our dream home these last few months, but I noticed one thing that was missing: the heart of our home. We're a family of 6, and our kitchen gets used all day long. Whether we're cooking breakfast, making the girls their lunch, their meals for their cheer practice, and even cooking a hearty dinner, we spend so much time in our kitchen. There's one thing that has been grinding my gears ever since we bought this house, which is our range hood. I can't tell you how many times the smoke detector has gone off. There's too much smoke going on, being inhaled, the grease splattering everywhere, and things just being too unclean while we're cooking in the kitchen. And for nights like this, when I'm cooking one of the family's favorite meals, I want to feel like we're more protected. And with my daughters who love being my little kitchen helpers, I can't stand when the kitchen is filled with so much smoke. We're coughing, we're sneezing, all the spices that are in the air are being piled up into their little noses. It's just so much going on and super frustrating to let them be the little helpers that I know they love to be. The whole house soaking up that greasy scent, it lingering on your clothes for hours. I hate all of it. And I know you guys, if you have a big family like myself, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And even if it's just you in that kitchen cooking, you don't want to smell stink all day just because you're frying some fish, right? Today, we're finally upgrading our kitchen with a new hood that I have been really excited to test. This is the new Arspura P2. It uses IQV total capture tech that sucks up all the smoke. Tiny particles and food smells right at the source before they spread all around your kitchen. Also comes with built-in PM 2.5 sensors to track invisible tiny pollutants floating in the air. But tonight, I'll be the test. While I'm cooking dinner for my family, we're gonna actually test this range out just to see how well and efficient it performs. So before you spend your money, watch this entire video and let's see how this goes. Okay guys, now before we go ahead and get into that, I have to talk about this installation process. You guys saw exactly what our old range hood looked like, what our old kitchen looked like, and all these new renovations have been making this kitchen look amazing. But I kid you not, this range, as you just saw, is the icing on the cake. Not only is it sleek and modern and absolutely beautiful, the function of it are priceless. I was really impressed with how seamless this entire installation process went. The crew came ahead of time to fully inspect our walls, ductwork, and upper floor layout to confirm full compatibility. We were able to discuss with them keeping some of our space so that we can still put some of our important home products that we love to cook with inside of our shelving area. Before they wrapped up the job, they were able to walk us through every single function step by step. I love brands that don't just sell you a product, they make sure you feel totally confident using it long after installation day. So one thing about Arspura is they pride themselves on your lung health and keeping your lungs healthy. Over the time of using ranges that do not ensure that the smoke ventilation is properly being filtered out, the grease is being captured, the particles are being filtered where they need to be, over time, you can start to have a lot of health issues. Now, I'm no doctor or anything, but one thing I can say is having uncontrollable cough, sneezing, and all the smoke buildup that's causing your smoke detector. I know y'all have been there where you're taking a towel, constantly fanning everything out, and you're turning your range onto max, and it's just not doing the job. Cannot be healthy and sustainable over years. And that's exactly why I love all the features that they talk about. So before we go ahead and get started, I want to kind of go over some of my favorite features. So first things first, this sleek design that blocks and protects the cabinets is my absolute fave aesthetically, because when we were doing this kitchen renovation, I can't tell you how long it took for our contractors to actually degrease the side of our cabinets, because our old range hood did not have this protection right here. Of course, it didn't have one right here. So we just got brand new tile work, and we don't want to destroy this. We do not also want to destroy our cabinets. We want to preserve them so we don't have to spend so much money consistently replacing things when they're in good condition. So they have this nice protection layer that still allow the cabinetry to be seen through, and it does not mess up the overall aesthetic of that. Another thing that I'm loving so far is that this right here holds all the grease. Now obviously there's no grease in there right now, but this is something that you can easily take off the hood and clean out and wash off and lock it back into, hold on y'all, I'm a little short. I gotta stand on my tippy toe. There we go. And you can lock it back into place like that. You can turn on and off the light when you see fit. And of course, this is exactly how it turns on. So it has this automatic PM 2.5, as you guys can see, feature, which is pretty much telling you the quality of the air. And when the smoke is all and about and you're cooking, it will absorb all of that, and we'll be able to see those features and test them out when I start cooking dinner. So I've been cooking this down so I can be able to really tell what the house is going to do with this new range, and I can just say right now I absolutely love it. So not only is it a touchless sensor where you can just use your hand to navigate the different senses, so like when you're cooking, your hands are dirty, you don't have to worry about touching all over and getting all the food on top of it. I absolutely also love the fact that it's getting everything in there without making a mess. Okay guys, so we're done with the vegetables, and the next thing we're going to do is stir fry our sweet potatoes just to give them a little bit more of that crisp on the outside. And we're going to start off by melting some butter, and at the same time, simultaneously, I'm going to start frying the steak. And y'all, this is going to be the biggest test of them all, because like I said, this is where things really get hectic in the kitchen. The smell is crazy, the smoke is blazing, and I'm going to be really intrigued to see, like, nothing has changed. We're still using the same pots and everything else, the same methods, or the only difference now is we're going to be seeing what difference this range makes within the cooking. So we're going to be looking at our PM 2.5, measuring how it controls the smoke. We're going to also look at the clarity of this. We have not done anything yet, but let's see how much smoke or grease rather, pops up on our new range. And then I'll also do a check of the grease after all of this is done. My husband did marinate the steak, and the heat is on high. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer the steak directly get all that good flavor. And see what that does. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna add a little bit more of this butter over there. And over here. And at the same time, I'm gonna take my sweet potatoes. I take some of this ground cinnamon, and I always gotta do a smell test. I actually love to utilize all the ingredients in the kitchen before they expire, because as we know, sometimes even the littlest of our products goes to waste because we're not figuring out different ways to utilize it. So I'm gonna add in some more of that butter. So this actually didn't fry because it softened more than I anticipated. But you guys, look at the steak. It's controlling it in a way that's never happened. And as you guys can see, it's on the highest heat possible. We have removed the old range hood, but this is in a perfect position for you guys to see exactly what I was talking about all the gunk sticking to our cabinets. And this looks crazy. So I'm gonna do a side-by-side comparison, because all the grease buildup is absolutely diabolical. This is the grease filter that's supposed to be catching all of the grease from our old range, and look how filthy it is from even residue from today cooking in the kitchen. There's such a difference with the grease collector, but I'm going to see exactly when we're done cooking how much grease it collects and how messy it is at cleanup. After running through all of these basic range hood tests, I would say not only is it optimal performance, but this is literally top tier product. Hey guys, so now I'm actually going to pull out our grease catcher and see. Oh my gosh, absolutely spotless. This is perfect. And if you subscribe to my channel, then you're going to be able to see me take this off within like the next week or two and just see how long it actually takes to get dirty, because right now this has been a true game changer. If you guys don't have this in your kitchen, I don't know what you're waiting for, because literally this is the best. One of my favorite features that I found out within doing some of the research with looking in the manual is that this is a lifetime filter free range, which means you will never have to go and buy those pesky little range filters and keep changing them out, thousands of dollars for a lifetime. So I have finally finished plating all of my family's meals. One of my daughters is asleep, and of course the baby is asleep right now. Me, my husband, and two of our other daughters would definitely be enjoying our first family meal, and I'm just super excited that I don't have to worry about doing all that extra strenuous deep cleaning of our range, and kept all that extra grease at bay. Last but not least, my clothes, my hair does not have a stand. I walked around my home and noticed that there is no lingering smell. So I cannot wait to fry some fish. I cannot wait to continue to cook other meals. This is going to be something that I personally would love to start gifting family members and friends whenever I'm buying them gifts. And I definitely encourage you guys to go ahead and check them out. You will not be disappointed. I just have no other word. So it has a delayed shutdown and it starts the preparation, or you can go ahead and shut everything down on its own while still illuminating the light over everything that you have prepared, just to make sure you get everything cleaned up and taken care of all together.
This is the first time we cook steak without no smoke remnants.
Right. I don't want no build up or nothing over there.
Really?
Not at all.
But I can't smell no smoke at all. Like, even you cooking, I can just smell the flavoring, but no smoke at all. You wouldn't even know that you cook steak.
Game changer.
Yeah, that hood was the best thing we did for this house.